There we go. There's only... Where's the other two? Oh no. Look at the fat. He's fat. Okay, we lost. I think they fell down. Hold on, let me check the bottom. I put them back. They were down at the bottom because they had gotten down. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Look, his eyes are starting. Oh, maybe they're not. No, they're starting to open. Oh my goodness, you guys got fuzz on you. Look, he's so cute. Oh, oh, hey, cuddle, snuggle. You guys. And this one was staying up here, and he's really fat. Oh, that little chunker munkers. I wonder if the other two didn't get any dinner. No, no, they're fine. They're fine. Look, they're chunky chunkies too. Okay, let me see this one. Oh yeah, this one definitely got food. They're fine. See, I worry about them falling right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Oh, babies. Oh, babies. Poor little chunker munkers. Oh, honeys. It's okay. Hmm. Okay, we will. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do to keep them from falling down there. Oh, babies. I could probably close Mom up here for now until they get a little bit older. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do that. It'll be safer. Because she doesn't want to come up here when I'm out here, though. She's kind of stubborn. We'll try it. Up here with them. And Mama's. It's okay, Mamas. Don't be afraid. I got your baby. Oh my goodness, look at them. There we are. They're doing really good. I just don't want them falling down anymore. We'll keep them up here for now. See how good they're doing? Oh my goodness, Iggy's. Mama, you're doing such a good job, Mamas. Mamas do not like me. I gotta get her tamed down. She's a good mama. You're a good, yeah, you are a very good mama. Yes, you are. I like you. You're just a very good mama.